I lost my hat. Fuck. I love that hat. Yeah, it's good. Oh, I see it. I see it. It's ruined.
How's it ruined?
Well, it's not ruined, but
wash it.
yeah.
Your hat just...
Oh my god. Well, that was eventful. Holy crap. So, we took about, what, an hour break?
Yeah.
Excuse me. We took an hour break. Just to let the winds pick up and stuff. And, hold on. Yeah, so we took an hour break. And we are back. It is insane how fast the winds picked up in the last half an hour. Like, totally crazy. We have a guy in a truck behind us who we were speaking to, and he's watching his boat right across the marina. And I don't know if you guys can see in the camera. I'll zoom in like in a second, but there's this red awning that's overdue. Right in the middle of the screen is this red awning, and it's about to blow away. Like, the front of it's already blown off, and it's right there. And the bottom of it, which used to be like the name of the company, completely blew off. The number of cars has not changed. I mean, I've seen, there's a couple news reporters over there by this marina, and they're calling for 8 to 12 foot storm surge, or was it 18?
18.
Yeah, 18 foot storm surge. And you guys are gonna see it here, folks.
The word the guy used was incredible.
Yeah. Oh, there's one boat that I see. Is it under power, or is it just floating down the... Just to show you guys what I'm talking about. There's a boat. Or is he coming in the marina? What is that guy doing?
Why would he even be on a boat?
I'm pretty sure that boat's just floating away, honey.
Why don't we drive up and see?
Yes, it is just floating away.
Let's look. Get a closer look.
Because he has no navigation lights on, and at
There's
first,
no reason why.
yeah, this fucking boat's floating away. Either that, or it's moored right off of... Oh man, I don't know.
So the camera, as you guys can see how strong the wind is, look at the power it's doing to the camera.
Let me stabilize, and then...
Where's the boat go?
It's straight ahead. It looks like it's docked, but it's not. It's right there. Because, here, can you see it on screen?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so do you see how it's like, it's...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like it's not under power, and no one's driving it.
Why would they?
Yeah.
Maybe someone forgot to tie it up properly.
I don't know. If you see someone in there on camera, maybe I'm wrong, but I know that those people aren't just staying on their boats for a Category 4
Look at
hurricane.
this guy. He can barely stand with his dog.
Yeah. Here comes Florida man right here. This is a true Floridian. Just walking his dog. Here he comes. Boom. He's got a ponytail. It's flying like a flag. He doesn't care. Life's good to him.
I'm surprised that bike hasn't flopped over.
Yeah, I don't know what that guy was thinking. I mean, bikes are pretty aerodynamic, but still. And we're talking about a motorcycle, not like a Schwinn. I believe that's a Harley, right? Or is that an Indian?
I don't know. If it is a Harley, it's an older sporty. Yeah, Honda.
We could not be in a better place than where we are right now. We're in downtown Fort Myers, where they say this 12-foot storm surge, 18-foot storm surge is going to happen, as well as down in Bonita Springs and Estero, which we are heading to next, especially on the back half of the storm, like after the eye rolls through, and it's saying that we're getting that storm surge. We're gonna head down Bonita Beach, and
Stuff's starting to fly now.
yeah, stuff's flying all over. The car's whistling, buildings are whistling. Let's go for a spin. Yeah? So, this is definitely a storm where you gotta have a contingency plan, and ours is to head into this parking garage that was just behind us, which we do not plan on doing at all unless we feel like our life is at stake. Yeah. But I felt kind of isolated there, so I want to drive down and see.
They lost coconuts.
Yeah, there's a lot of coconuts. If you like coconut milk, this is the place to go to, folks, because they're cracking right on the ground fresh. The Oxbow. Let me just keep my yachts here. Okay. You know, it'd be fun is going out on that
Let's do it.
on that gazebo, but also I really don't want a bunch of salt water all over me.
It's good for your skin.
Yeah, and for those people that are like, he's from Florida, doesn't like salt water. No, I do, but not when you're sitting in a car in a hurricane for 4 hours.
It's okay. I just like the beach. I don't like sand all over me.
Yeah. Oh, actually, we've been going since what, 6? So we've been out for a while already. I wish McDonald's was open or something.
Use me a big mocha frappy.
Seriously. Somebody help me and get me a frappy. Is there even a use for stopping at a stop sign during a hurricane? I don't think
Blow
so.
it.
Yeah. Who's gonna stop me? There ain't no coppers out.
Oh my god.
I was playing my brother, not a black person, because my brother talks like that. Like that's how he sounds all the time. Alright, green. Oh, that smell.
I know.
I cannot get over the smell in downtown Fort Myers right now. It smells like shit. Absolute shit. In fact, if you took a banana and mixed it with dog shit and put it in a blender and then let it dry aged for 4 months and then pissed on it and then put it in the microwave, that's what it smells like.
That's disgusting.
It's worse than death. But it's not even in like one area, it's all around. Like we smelled the same smell over here that we did 2 miles down the road, right?
Yeah.
I'm not letting you pee here, honey. What are you, crazy? You're gonna look like a freak. Next thing you know, you're gonna be locked up for indecent. And then I gotta... Whoa. That was a heart-shaped dry stain. And no one will know what I mean until you see it.
Look.
So, is it graffiti, or is that actually drying to be a heart?
It's because our love is so strong.
Yeah, I guess so. Our love is so strong that that's crazy. Wow. That's weird. Or we're gonna die today, and that was God saying that He loved us before He sees us.
Not funny.
No, we're not. Are those our weather people?
No, they had a different
Oh, this is where I got interviewed earlier. Which I don't know what channel it's gonna be on, but we'll find it. For all of you that have been tuning in, we're going back to that spot where all those people were. I just saw an Arizona can cross the street at like 20 miles an hour. Ooh, those are old wooden houses. We'll check on those later. Yeah, so I think the smell is coming up from the drains as the water like raises up. All of that air that's in whatever holding tanks or whatever is being like basically it's a Fort Myers fart is what it is. Because the city's they're farting through these vents. The street holes.
It's awful.
It smells like hell. And that's the thing. If and when we get this storm surge, then
my door.
No, I'll take you back to that one spot. So I know it sounds crazy, but like, there's nowhere to use the bathroom, so we're having to pee outside. We're doing all this for your entertainment, by the way. So like and subscribe, please. For me, it's not that bad. I pee in a bottle. Or is it Genie in a Bottle? I don't know. It's one of those songs. Yeah, that sign's gonna blow over. Can you check the radar really quick?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna stop and upload this video, guys, so that you guys can get updated, because you guys haven't been updated yet.